DeFirex. Hello guys, welcome to channel with a new project review. Today I am going to read about our innovative project, which one is DeFirex, and it's a big player in the DeFi sector at the moment. DeFi is definitely a good investment. It was digital assets from the DeFi sector that allowed crypto investors to maximize their profits. DeFi is the new blockchain-based financial reality in the digital world. The DeFirex system operates on the Ethereum blockchain, and the use of open verified smart contracts makes the platform a reliable and secure tool. The platform uses the Compound DeFi service, which today is one of the top capitalization and securitization protocols. Automation of the placement of DAI decentralized assets is carried out through a liquidity pool based on the Compound service and helps users increase their profits by effectively managing COMP tokens. The service also provides automatic profit taking under a smart contract with the instant withdrawal of funds and complete security. By placing DAI in the DeFirex smart contract on the Binance Smart Chain BSC network, users receive DAI tokens with the profit accrued on them in DAI. DAI can be exchanged to DAI through the bridge that contacts the BSC and Ethereum network. DAI tokens are fully backed by DAI hosted in the Compound project and can be transferred between the BSC and Ethereum networks. The project team maintains a limited pool in the BSC network for exchanging DAI for DAI. DAI are always backed by DAI at 100% in the Ethereum network. Thus, users do not need to rely on the DeFirex team, since by restoring to the bridge link, they can independently transfer DAI to the Ethereum network and exchange them for DAI. The main benefits of DeFirex. The DeFirex team plans to provide access to farming on Uniswap, 1inch and other popular DeFi platforms directly from BSC with minimal compositions for users by implementing cross-chain interaction. This will allow access to the best DeFi services for generating liquidity and income with minimal commissions. The farming mechanism is built on proven DeFirex.org technology, which has been tested repeatedly by international auditors. The system is completely transparent, allowing anyone to review accounts, secure codes, and holders of funds at any time. The service provides an opportunity to reliably receive high levels of income via yield farming. At present, the levels stand at DAI 22.5% APY annually, USDC 22.5% APY annually, Ethereum 12.9% APY annually. All rewards are automatically accrued on a daily basis free of charge for users. The rewards are made available for withdrawal in the user's personal accounts and are protected from loss under any market conditions. DeFirex teams plan to distribute the token and airdrop in March. The technical part and basic elements of tokenomics have already been developed. Airdrop governance of DFX tokens for all users of the DeFirex platform has been prolonged until 30th October. DFX is the governance token of the project, which will be accrued to the users depending on their activity. The main task of the token is to encourage the users and motivate them to participate in the development of the project. The project team plans to release a token, which will allow to maximize profit from the best DeFi projects in one action. Automatically receive a fixed profits by performing minimum actions without need to entrust their funds to a third party, since the project is completely decentralized. Is the DeFirex platform secure? DeFirex service guarantees platform reliability, which is ensured by the following factors. More than 20,000 programmers and more than $4 billion within the Ethereum system. European licenses for consulting, storage, exchange, and operations with cryptocurrency on the DeFiRX platform, the largest crypto bank compound.